Welcome to Fáilte Ireland's Marketing Toolbox. The Marketing Toolbox is jam-packed with campaign assets, guides and toolkits, so it's easy to find everything you need in one place. This video will show you around the main features of the platform and how to use it. Let's get started. If you already have an account with Ireland's content pool, you can use the same email address and password to log in to the Marketing Toolbox. If you don't have an account, you can easily set one up. Simply click on the Register button and fill in your details on the next page. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email in your inbox and follow the instructions to activate your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to this homepage. The homepage features all of our activation guides and toolkits. You can click on any of the toolkits to find the related campaign assets you can download. In the top left, you'll see the Marketing Toolbox logo. Click here to go back to the homepage at any time. There are thousands of campaign assets on the Marketing Toolbox for you to choose from. You'll find things like videos, web content, social media posts, and more. We've made it easy to find exactly what you're looking for with our handy filters and search bar. At the top of the screen, click on Search and enter a keyword. If you want your search to be more specific, you can apply filters to refine the results. Filter by county, by media type, by social media, or all of the above. You can apply multiple filters to narrow the search down further. Now that you know how to search, let's look at how to download an asset. Click on the asset you want. You'll see a preview on the right-hand side. Click the green download button. Some assets like images and videos are available in different file sizes. Click on the arrow to select a specific size before you download. If you're not ready to download, you can save the asset for later by selecting Collect in the drop-down menu beside the search bar. Choose an existing collection or create a new one. You can access your saved assets from My Toolkit. Once you've downloaded a file, check the Downloads folder on your mobile or computer desktop to use it in your own marketing. So there you have it. You can find all the tools you need on the Marketing Toolbox.